Today we are going to discuss a topic from biology, that is asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Now what is reproduction? Reproduction is a process in which a living organism gives birth to a organism of its own kind, right? Of its own species. Now this reproduction is of two types, asexual and sexual reproduction. And you know that living organisms are of two types, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means they have got a single cell, the whole body is made up of single cell, and multicellular means the body is made up of multiple cells or n number of cells. So today we are going to discuss this asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. So just we will take one example of amoeba. As you know, amoeba is a unicellular organism and it reproduces. How it reproduces asexually, that we are going to discuss. Now amoeba reproduces by two methods. First is binary fission, and second is multiple fission. In binary fission, what happens? You know, amoeba is a unicellular organism, means all the activities are done by a single cell only. So this cell divides and it gives rise to two daughter cells of amoeba. So this is parent amoeba. From this, two daughter amoeba are formed. This is just a simple fission. Now, in some organisms, this fission takes place in a transverse way. Transverse way means this division takes place horizontally. In an organism like Paramecium, this division takes place in a transverse way. Such a fission is called as transverse fission, and it gives rise to two cells of that organism. Whereas in another type, that is longitudinal fission, here we can continue it. Longitudinal fission is one more type of this fission. In longitudinal fission, in organism like Euglena, this fission takes place along a line, and this gives rise to two Euglena or two cells of Euglena, and such a fission is called as longitudinal fission, which we see in an organism called Euglena. This is longitudinal fission. This is simple binary fission in amoeba. This is transverse fission, which we see in organisms like Paramecium. And now one more type is multiple fission. Multiple fission means when the conditions are unfavorable. Unfavorable in the sense when there is food is not available in enough amount, or when the climate conditions are not good. Amoeba or organisms like amoeba, they form a cover around their cell, and this is amoeba which gets covered and it forms a cyst around its cell. That covering is called as a cyst, and in this cyst the organism multiple times it divides and redivides, and n number of cells are formed, and when the conditions become favorable, this cyst type ruptures and all these cells they come out, and so from a single cell, large number of or multiple number of these amoebulae, or they are all called as amoebulae or daughter cells of amoeba, they come out, and such type of fission is called as multiple fission in amoeba, which generally we observe in unfavorable conditions. So today we have discussed asexual reproduction in a unicellular organism by taking the example of amoeba, in which there is we see two types of fission, that is binary fission and multiple fission. In binary fission, from one cell two daughter cells are formed, whereas in transverse fission, again when the fission takes place transversely or in a horizontal way, it gives rise to two cells. Whereas when this fission takes place longitudinally, means along a length column, then it divides it into two cells, and such a fission is called as longitudinal fission. And one more type of fission we see in amoeba when the conditions are unfavorable. amoeba undergoes multiple fission to produce large number of daughter cells. And this is how amoeba reproduces. All the unicellular organisms, they reproduce in a asexual way. In next lecture, we will continue with the next part of it.